Hello and welcome guys, I am Subha Malik. In this video I am going to show you how you can get Skillshare Premium free for next 2 months. You will learn 29,000 plus classes all for free for next 60 days using my link. And this is a special page you will see after clicking this link. I will paste this link into video description, the very first link, and also paste this link into the very first comment, so that you can enjoy free Skillshare Premium for next 60 days. What you can learn is a wide range of courses on Skillshare. Let's go to home and browse some categories. I just want to show you what you can learn here on Skillshare. You can learn design, you can learn illustration, you can learn business, you can learn classes related to technology, photo and film, entrepreneurship and writing. Let's see in writing. In this, you can also learn a class from the famous Simon Sinek, all for free by signing up through my special link, which is a referral link, which gives you 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free. Remember, it is for free for next 60 days only. Going to this link, I will paste this link into video description and into very first comment. By the way, I have tried Skillshare and learned some classes. It is very good place. I have learned about Amazon t-shirt designing and also about low content book publishing, which is what I am doing right now in these days. So you can polish your skills through during next 60 days, and it will also give you a very good pastime as well.